peeps, it's December the 1st and this is not sponsored by the Postcode Lottery or Galaxy. This is my own review. So basically, I'm with my mate, Alf the Elf, and we're going to open door number 1, get chocolate in this one. Postcode Lottery, we'll read a little bit on the door. So here we go. Door number 1, with Alf the Elf. Don't go nicking them, Alf, or you won't get nothing for Christmas, mate. So basically what we got today, we've got a Christmas tree. Christmas tree in the chocolate door number 1. Thank you very much. And door number 1 of the Postcode Lottery. Where we go? Here we go. Magic breakfast. Feed healthy breakfast to over 3,000 school children daily. Well, my review of this is if the government cut their money down to what a minimum wage is and spend a lot more money on kids' meals through Christmas, then every kid can eat through Christmas. Not 3,000 but nearly all kids. So government, cut your money down, go £10 an hour like we do, and then spend that money on kids through Christmas and let them eat. Thank you very much. Right, there you go. And you've just been watching the 4K Eyebrow. Merry Christmas, December the 1st.